Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Datadog for application performance monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Datadog website at datadoghq.com. Click on the Get Started Free button on the homepage. Fill out the sign up form with your details. Enter your full name, work email, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Datadog website. Log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your organization. Choose a name for your organization that reflects your business. Select your primary industry from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to configure your initial settings. You may be asked to provide additional information about your applications. Once completed, you will gain access to the Datadog dashboard. From the dashboard, explore the features available for application performance monitoring. Integrate your application by following the setup instructions provided. Choose the appropriate language or framework for your application. Download the Datadog agent based on your operating system. Install the agent by following the provided documentation. Configure the agent with your Datadog API key. Ensure your application is instrumented to send metrics to Datadog. Monitor your application metrics in real time from the dashboard. Explore advanced features like dashboards and alerting to optimize monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.